Are you looking for the best telescopes for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best telescopes for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Gskyer 90mm Astronomical Refractor Telescope. Young stargazers can learn how to use a telescope with the Gskyer 90mm Astronomical Refractor Telescope. It comes with 3 eyepieces, 25mm, 10mm, and 5mm pieces that correspond to magnifications of 24x, 60x, and 120x, respectively, and an adjustable tripod to help kids get a precise view. The device also uses an easily maneuvered alt-azimuth mount, making it a great telescope for kids. As far as telescopes go, this one is pretty affordable, especially given the included accessories. The only downside is that while this Gskyer device is lighter than the Skywatcher Classic 200, it's still a bit heavy for kids at nearly 18 pounds. Number 2. Celestron FirstScope Telescope. It's hard to find affordable telescopes, much less one that comes with the bells and whistles you need for optimal use. This telescope from Celestron goes for less than $100, giving you the maximum bang for your buck as you wade into stargazing. It's just 3.6 pounds, meaning you can easily bring it anywhere for on-the-go viewing. It comes with 20mm and 4mm eyepieces, which offer magnifications of 15x and 75x respectively. The magnifications and aperture offered here are lower than others on our list, and as such, it can make viewing certain celestial objects difficult. For example, you likely won't be able to view harder-to-see planets like Mars. Number 3. Celestron NexStar 130 SLT. Computerized telescopes can be great for absolute beginners because they have thousands of celestial bodies logged and ready to pinpoint. The Celestron NexStar 130 SLT offers a database of thousands of stars, galaxies, and more. The Sky Tour device helps point out objects that will be easy for you to find based on when and where you're looking. This pick is on the lighter side, weighing in at a little over 11 pounds, meaning you can take it anywhere for precise stargazing. It also comes with 2 eyepieces, one that's 25mm and one that's 9mm, for magnifications of 26x and 72x respectively, though the telescope's maximum useful magnification is 307x, with the right eyepiece. Its one downfall is that it's expensive. If you're itching for a computerized telescope at a slightly lower cost, we also like the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX130AZ smartphone app-enabled reflector telescope.